Hello and welcome to the Intel Graphics Frame Analyzer Deep Dive video series. This video will demonstrate fundamental stream capture capabilities and graphics monitor that will aid in the configuration and future analysis of stream capture files for multi-frame profiling and Graphics Frame Analyzer. While in Graphics Monitor, enable stream capturing mode by selecting the stream option from the drop-down menu next to the Start button. Streams are continuous sets of frames which can be used to analyze issues like sporadic drops in the frames per second of your application. It's important to mention, if you have extended profiling mode enabled in Graphics Monitor and you choose to capture your stream using a graphics API that's not supported by your application, then Graphics Monitor will resort to using your application's default graphics API. You can view stream capture options by pressing the Options button to go into the settings of the tool, and then by pressing the Stream tab. Pressing the toggle button next to each of these options will allow you to enable or disable them based on your specific use case. The Defer Stream Capture option allows you to start a capture manually. If this option is disabled, the capture process will start from the launch of the application within Graphics Monitor. If this option is enabled, you can begin capture after starting your application in Graphics Monitor by pressing the L key on your keyboard, and stop your capture by pressing the same key. There are two keyframe options that you can enable for faster playback time during profiling. The Create Keyframe at Time Interval option allows you to automatically create a keyframe over a user-specified time interval in seconds. The Create Keyframe at Key Press option allows you to manually create a keyframe after you press your keyframe key binding, which can be altered in the Shortcuts tab of Graphics Monitor. This option can be utilized to accelerate playback from significant points in your stream capture while selecting and opening a single frame for analysis in your stream capture file. There are two screenshot options that you can enable which will aid in stream capture navigation by creating image thumbnails that can be viewed while inspecting multiple frames in Graphics Frame Analyzer. The Create Screenshot Every X Frames option allows you to automatically take a screenshot after a user-specified number of frames. The Create Screenshot Every X Milliseconds option allows you to automatically take a screenshot after a user-specified time duration in milliseconds has elapsed. The HUD layer option enables the heads-up display while recording a stream capture, which displays the graphics device, graphics API, application resolution, monitor scale, and the frames per second of your application. The metrics layer option enables the collection of metrics based on your host system's hardware. These options can be tested by closing the settings of the tool and then by starting a stream capture in Graphics Monitor. You can then stop the stream capture by closing the capture or by pressing the Stop button in Graphics Monitor. Double-click on your newly captured stream thumbnail on the right-hand side of the tool to open it in Graphics Frame Analyzer for multi-frame analysis. If you're interested in learning more about how to identify and analyze problem areas in your applications to resolve GPU performance regressions, continue watching our Graphics Frame Analyzer Deep Dive video series. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for new exciting GPA updates, and get started optimizing your games today.